Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can reverse a video on CapCut. Alright, so it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? So to reverse clip on CapCut is pretty simple. Open CapCut and click on new project so you can start a new project. So I'm gonna choose this video over here. After I choose it, I'm gonna click on add at the bottom right corner of my screen. Once I do that, basically a clip is gonna be added on my CapCut, editing page timeline. Now I can edit my clip over here, but I just want to reverse it. So once you come over here on this page, the timeline on your CapCut, what you want to do is where it says add audio, you can see the little add audio. Right above that you can see your video, right? That's called timeline. You want to click on that video. Once you click on your video, you're gonna get this little white, little border kind of thing. Once you see it, at the bottom you can see where it says split speed animation style, right? So on that bar you want to swipe left. So keep swiping left until you see the reverse option. So once you see the reverse option over here, just like in my case, you can see the reverse option, click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna say reverse applied. Once reverse is applied on your video, it's pretty much done. You have just reversed your video. Now you can start playing your video. As you guys can see, my video is playing in reverse. So yeah, and after you do that, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a little arrow pointing at the top. Click on it and it's gonna export your video, and once your video completes exporting, you can upload it anywhere you want or do anything you want with it. Alright, so that's how you guys can reverse clips on CapCut. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.